was exciting while coming into the city because of the traffic.
We had a lot of traffic merging, traffic turning.
It's feeling quite well actually driving here. It's quite hot as expected. I overtook 2 long road trains, quite impressive I would say.
Drove 750 kilometers without any tire problems, and when we checked them we saw that they were basically still brand new.
The car went absolutely smooth, no flat tires at all, so it's been a pleasure to work with the Bridgestone ENLITEN.
I mean, honestly, their reliability and efficiency has made sort of all the difference for us.
Our battery is pretty drained. We did collect sun, of course, throughout the day, which was really, really crucial, but now that the car is standing, it can collect the final rays of sunshine.
So it's been grueling, it's tough, it's hot out here.
Temperatures in the solar cars are typically about 10 degrees hotter than air temperature, which today it's been about 39 degrees.
This is the world's greatest solar challenge. It's a challenge for a reason. It's going well, but we're working hard.
For sure this is one of the greatest adventures of our lives. Definitely pays off all the effort.
It's been fantastic, quite the experience. It's really great seeing all the different cars. And Adelaide, we're on our way, we're halfway there.